G'day guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Sean. If you're new here and you're wondering what I talk about tech, do tutorials, unboxings, reviews, streaming, everything and anything tech related. And today I'm going to be giving you part 2, recap time, conclusion on whether or not the headphone covers from Our Music are worth it, and my thoughts and opinions on the product. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit subscribe so that way you don't miss out on any other future videos that I do this year. And let's begin. Alright, so to quickly recap the Our Music premium headphone covers, these were sent over to me about 2 weeks ago. A guy named Calvin at Our Music, he reached out to me on Instagram as a response, I guess, to one of the videos that I put out complaining about how the Beats Solo 3 ear cups might deteriorate over time from things like sweat getting into the ear cups and just naturally damaging it. So basically what their product does, it's like a little, I guess, swimming cap, if you like. That's probably the best way to describe it in my opinion. It's like a little swimming cap for your headphones that lets the sound pass through but doesn't let any of the sweat from maybe when you're working out, or if you're on a job site and it's really hot, or maybe just where you live, it's a really hot climate, stops any of the sweat getting through and damaging those ear cups. So if we have a look at mine, I've got my ear cup on the right side at the moment just to show you that it's on, and then the left side is obviously uncovered, and it just stops any sweat getting through to the ear cup. So thoughts and opinions, I've been using them at the gym, and I would say probably on first impression, the first thing I notice is that it's not a negative thing at all. It's just that, I guess for the first 2 minutes, it just took a little bit to get used to it as far as the feel of those ear cups with the ear cups on. Just felt a little bit different. Obviously it wasn't as soft as the ear cups that come on the headphones, but that's for a reason. It's to stop the sweat going through, to protect the headphones. So just took a couple minutes for me to get used to, but once I was into the workout and I was running and I was doing my workout, they weren't slipping or sliding or anything like that. The sweat I could tell was building up, I could feel it, and I took them off, I took the ear cups off, I couldn't see any sweat getting through to the ear cup. So that was a huge win. That's obviously what they're designed for. I think Calvin, he was running a headphone rental business, and I guess he was probably experiencing a lot of headphone rentals where headphones were coming back, and over time you could just see them naturally deteriorating because customers were sweating a lot. So this product makes a lot of sense. The other thing that I will mention is that they don't smell. Like, I haven't washed these, as gross as that might sound, but I don't share them, and they don't have any sort of weird funky smell. I didn't talk about it much in the last video, but they've got this antimicrobial feature, I guess, so that stops any bacteria getting into the actual material and I guess into the headphones, and so it doesn't smell, it's not weird. They dry. Sometimes I do just wipe them with my gym towel just to make sure that they are, I guess, ready to go for the next session. That's just me, but I do carry the travel bag with me when I go to the gym. So normally, I guess, day to day, when I'm on the couch or I'm at work, maybe on a plane, somewhere where it's not going to be too hot, I prefer to actually have them off, put them in the little bag, just because it feels a little bit more comfortable to me. But as soon as I get to the gym, I take them out, put them on the headphones. It only takes me about a minute to do, and then I start my workout. And that's just sort of a routine that I've gotten into. So they pretty much live in this travel bag. They come with me everywhere. Really highly recommend carrying them in the travel bag, but definitely having them for your Beats Solo 3 headphones if, like I said, you're someone who sweats a lot or lives in a hot climate. I think the product itself, packaging is really nice. They only cost about $20 to $30 on Amazon, the last time I checked anyway. That's obviously going to change depending on where you're living, which country you might be in, subject to availability and all that kind of stuff. So to summarize, product's great, they don't smell, they're easy to put on, the sound quality comes through perfect, no complaints there. It just takes a few minutes just to get used to the feeling. But like I said, if you just want to protect them for maybe when you're at the gym, put them on at the gym, take them off, put them in the travel bag, chuck them in your gym bag. They literally only weigh a few grams, so like, even if you're going to take them on your carry-on, if you're going onto a plane, it's not going to make any difference there as well. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any comments or questions, make sure to leave them down below. And as always, give it a like if you like this video, give it a dislike if you didn't like this video, maybe tell me why. I'll leave a link to where to buy, I'll give a link to where to buy the product down below, a description and all that kind of stuff. Make sure to go over and give Our Music a like on their Instagram page, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Cheers.